patch, and create. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, and today I have with me the MacBook Pro 32GB silver. So let's get into it. And so this is basically the whole thing, and let's dive into it. So it's actually worth waiting for to see all the contents inside. So here is the MacBook Pro from inside the box, and let's take the tag up and let's pull the tag to take hold of the MacBook Pro. So first of all, we thought to get an M1 chip MacBook Pro, but it was only 8GB memory. So we thought to get the 32GB memory MacBook Pro that was not the M1 chip, but still it was like a super duper fast computer, and not many people have more than 8GB memory. This is so slick because whenever I'm unboxing any of my personal things, I always feel so it always feels so satisfying to take off all the wrapping. So I just hope I'm a bit quick here because I just wanted you guys to see how the MacBook Pro functions and works, and what are all of its features. So I hope we are just going to be opening it up right now. So here is the all-new MacBook Pro. The screen, the keyboard, and the force touch trackpad is like really wide. So here's the back. So here is the glimpse of the screen, and we are going to be setting it up later. Let's put the wrapping. So let's view the other contents of the box. Let's set the MacBook Pro aside, and so here's the instruction manual and the terms and conditions. Let's quickly go through this. So here is the sticker, and here is the power adapter, and here is lastly the charging cable. Let's check the box for anything else. So we are going to be putting everything back into the box now, including the MacBook Pro and the wrapping, all the stickers, instruction manual, and every single thing that came. Here is the box, and now we are going to be moving towards the setup of this MacBook Pro. I was very eager to go through the setup very quickly and just move towards the apps and everything else. So let's just quickly set up this Mac. As you can see, so the Apple ID, iCloud, and it's asking all those setup questions and the terms and conditions. So here's Siri, but we're not going to be setting Siri right now. So we set up Touch ID, and so we're going to just choose the light look, and we are going to be enabling two-tone display. See, it's super fast. It's set up my Mac like super fast. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. So I'd like to see you in my next video. Bye.